Hey everybody, today we're working on this 87 F-150. Customer said he had some starting issues, but looking at it, I mean, here's the power cable, and here's the negative wire. Yeah, there's the negative cable, that's one, but then I found that there's the original one over here. Where is it? Over here. So obviously somebody has tried to go over it or change it somehow, and so what I'm going to try to do is I'm going to put it back as close to original as possible. The original Ford cables are really expensive, so I try to come up with some cheaper alternatives. So this is what I'm going to try to do. Here we go. Okay, what I got is this cable that has a chassis ground and a frame ground with a new negative terminal, and that I got from Advance. It's a standard product, and there's the Advance number for it. It's the closest one I could find, and we're just gonna have to make work. The other one is I got a new positive lead. I got this from Summit. There's the one for that one. This one is going to be no problem, but this I think I'm going to have to do a little bit because the spacing between the frame ground and the engine ground is a little bit. It's not going to give me enough length for the battery when I have to connect it to the battery. So let's go about taking the old ones off. And I also got a Dorman, also from Advance, a Dorman crown strap from the engine to the body in the back. So we'll see if we need that, but I just got it just in case. So let's go and try this. Well, to get this ground wire to come to the battery, this is supposedly the right battery, the 65. To get the ground wire, the cable length, what I did was I went underneath, and if you can see that over here, yeah, I drilled and tapped a 1/4 inch by 20 right here, and I just mounted it right there. The other half I'm going to mount it to the engine block. Okay. I saw half the make of these two grounding. These are attached to the ground wire. These are these weather-tight quick connects. But on the other side of them, they were totally destroyed, and you can tell that they were corroded. Okay, the wires corroded behind, and I don't think they were making probably a very good ground connection. So I was able to get these. These are single wire weather packs that you can assemble. They come with the pins, and I'll show you what the part number for that is. Give me a second here. Let me go back. What I used is the All-Star. I got these from Summit, and there's the part number for a 1-wire weather pack. They're about $7 a piece. Alright, here's the job completed. I got a new wire going to the positive terminal. The negative, it reaches, it's tight, but it still reaches. So that's pretty good. And then everything else is clean. Made the extra connections. We did the other connections here using those All-Star connections. Made individual connections, so those are removable if whatever for